Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your house location on your Google Map. So we are going to add a house location level on our Google Map so that we can get instant search results whenever we are searching our house. So first of all, open your phone and then you have to search here Maps. Open the Maps. And then normally you have to choose this U option, and from here choose labeled, and now you have to choose home and click on this choose on map, and now normally choose the location that you want to set as your home. So I'm choosing this one, and finally clicking on this save button and click on this done button. And that's it. Here you can see that we have set our home location on Google Map. But remember, this is just a label. It will not be shown to public. You only can see on your Google Maps. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to add your house location on Google Map to search quickly. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.